morning, I'm Keith, and today I'm here with Jordan, JOYCELN, and Joshua, and we'll be presenting on food packaging materials. To start things off, I'll start with wood. Wood is renewable, biodegradable, and doesn't rust or oxidize, making it a stable choice. It receives food acids and can be eco-friendly when sourced sustainably. However, wood can absorb moisture, leading to bacterial growth if untreated, and it may rot in warm, humid conditions like in Singapore. Processing wood is also energy intensive and can contribute to deforestation if not responsibly sourced. Next up, secondly, I will have to talk about glass. Glass is impermeable to moisture, resists oxidation, and is perfect for long-term storage. It's also recyclable indefinitely. However, there are also downsides to glass, in which it can break easily and its transparency may cause slight damage to some food. Glass production is energy intensive and prone to breakage. Thank you. I'll now pass the time over to the next member.
Plastic provides good moisture resistance and good corrosion resistance due to its polymer structure. It is light and easy to shape and can be made transparent. However, it has poor oxidation resistance when being exposed to UV light and is not sustainable as they are made from fossil fuels and are not biodegradable.
Metal packaging provides excellent barrier to light, gas, and moisture, which helps preserve product quality and extend shelf life. They can be shipped in various forms, withstand high temperature, and offer strong structural support and are fully recyclable. For example, aluminum offers rust resistance and is lightweight, making it ideal for transportation, though it lacks the strength of steel. Steel, on the other hand, offers high tensile strength and superior corrosion resistance, though it is heavier than aluminum. Metal's high heat tolerance is critical in canning processes, allowing perishable foods like meat, fish, and vegetables to be steam exhausted and sealed while hot. This effectively kills bacteria, preserving food for months. However, some metals may leach toxic chemicals into food. Metals, particularly steel, may rust and typically requires anti-rust coating. Metals are also less resistant to acids and alkalis, which can lead to metal ions leaching into acidic foods.
As for paper, it has good corrosion resistance as paper does not corrode like metals. Paper is also highly sustainable as it is produced from wood sourced from sustainably managed forests. Thus, it leaves little to zero impact on the environment. Paper is also less expensive to manufacture as it does not need to be extruded like other materials. However, paper does have its disadvantages. Paper food packagings are known to have poor moisture resistance as paper has a porous structure that limits its moisture barrier, which is composed of long-chain crystalline cellulose regions with sections of amorphous regions. Although it can be overcome by applying a layer of water-resistant material, it would affect its biodegradability. And due to the presence of lignin in paper, when exposed to sunlight and air, paper would oxidize and turn yellow over time, making it less durable. And next, we'll be talking about the factors to consider when selecting packaging materials. First, product protection. Food packaging is the main shield to protect the enclosed food from contamination, damage, or decay in the process of transport, storage, or selling. Insufficient protection shortens the food shelf life and increases product loss. Not only would it be unsafe for consumption, but also making it more costly for food companies. As for functionality, a guided, easily tearable line would be great to ease the opening. And for bigger packs for food, a seal would be ideal to include as it helps to retain the freshness. For food that requires reheating, a microwave-safe material should be used.
Another factor is shelf life. Short shelf life foods like fruits and vegetables are susceptible to air and moisture. Hence, they require packaging that protects them from the external environment. However, the stability of packaging over time is less important due to its short shelf life. Thus, suitable candidates include paper and plastic materials. Long shelf life foods like rice and grains are less susceptible to air and moisture. Hence, they do not require packaging that shields them completely from the environment. However, they do require staple packaging materials that do not degrade over time. Thus, some suitable candidates would be glass containers or coated metallic containers.
Some packaging materials are more expensive when meeting industry standards for aesthetics or durability. It's essential to balance cost and quality to get the best value. Shipping costs can increase with heavier materials, and certain materials like aluminum can be more prone to damage during transport if not well protected, potentially adding to expenses due to breakage. Material availability impacts cost though indirectly. For instance, plastic resins are often domestically available and cost-effective to mold into containers, whereas glass containers, on the other hand, are largely produced overseas, which can drive up costs due to import and availability issues. Thank you for listening to our presentation.